Okay, so planning for math vocabulary is really important for the success of your students. Teachers can teach technical words for math, which I've heard of as referred to as the brick words, while also paying attention to the subtechnical words or the mortar words. So the brick words are those big, important vocabulary words that you need just for math, but then the mortar words are the things that hold them all together. So quadratic would be a brick word, while um, solving or estimating would be a mortar word. Those are still math vocabulary words, but they have a variety of meanings and they're used in different ways. So we can plan for teaching math vocabulary by um, looking at examples versus non-examples, using things like the Frayer model, helping students to draw pictures to represent the vocabulary, or even using the different comparison methods that we learned about in our class. But what's important is when we plan for teaching math vocabulary that we do it explicitly and then we do it intentionally. Um, so teachers should plan for all levels of math knowledge and vocabulary knowledge, but be really intentional when thinking about ELL students and students with disabilities. So the idea here is that we're using um, math vocabulary we're making math vocabulary become more explicit by using a lot of different examples in our planning.